Comparing yourself and your YouTube channel to other YouTube channels is a sure way to crush your self-esteem. So why are we so insistent on doing that? In this video, we're going to talk about why we're insistent on comparing ourselves to bigger channels and the mind shift that we can make in order to change that. So first things first, why is it that we constantly compare ourselves to all these bigger channels? Well, it's because we want to grow our channels. So who better to learn from than the people that have been there and done it? People that have got a proven track record of growing a YouTube channel are obviously going to have valuable insights that they can give to you. They're going to have lots of value that they can give to you to help you to grow your channel. But what happens when we publish our first couple of videos and we're getting 5, 6, 7 views, and then we're looking at these people who've published their latest video and it's got 50,000 views? We're obviously going to feel a bit shit about it. All of a sudden, the imposter syndrome in us starts saying to us, how come he's got 50,000 views and you've only got 2? Maybe you're not cut out for this. Maybe it's you. But the point is, it's an unfair comparison. It's like starting up a burger restaurant and comparing yourself to McDonald's and wondering why you're not as big as them. As nice as it would be to go viral and have instant overnight success on YouTube, the reality is that for the vast majority of people, that just doesn't happen. Everyone has to grow their channels slowly. YouTube needs to understand what you are as a channel. You have to consistently show up and produce consistent content so that your viewers build up trust in you enough that they want to actually subscribe to your channel and watch your videos. So if you're sitting watching someone who's got hundreds of thousands of subscribers and has been doing it for 10 years and wondering why you're not getting the same amount of views as them, then the answer is pretty simple. They've built that up over 10 years. They started off where you are. For a moment, let's just think about YouTube as running a marathon. When you're running a marathon, you're going to have people that are slightly behind you, some people that are maybe quite a good bit behind you, and equally you're going to have people that are just in front of you or way out in front of you. But it doesn't matter, because when you're running a marathon, you're not running against all these people. You're not competing with them. You're running your own race. The point is, as long as you're moving forward, then you're going to get there in the end. Furthermore, it's almost like a marathon that anyone can join at any kind of point in time. So if someone's been running that marathon for 10 years, then they're going to be way ahead of where you are. You've just started the race. You might even find yourself comparing yourself to people that are running alongside you in that race. People that have started their channels around the same time as you and that are that bit further ahead of you. Maybe they've got 1,000 subscribers and you've only got 200. Maybe they're averaging 150 views per video and you're averaging 50. But again, comparing ourselves to them, even if they have started about the same time as us, doesn't necessarily mean that you should be comparing yourself to them. All you can do is focus on yourself. Sure, you can take inspiration from other people that are ahead of you and that have got more subscribers and that have been on go for a long time. You can look and study how they deliver their videos, look at what they're talking about if they're in the same niche as you. What do they do with their titles? What do they do with their thumbnails? What is it they talk about? How do they talk about it? You can draw inspiration from all these people. That's a great thing about YouTube. You're not there to compete against all these people, but you can learn from them and you can take all the best bits of what these guys do and apply that to your own videos. So if you've been doing this YouTube malarkey for a few months now and you're just not getting to where you thought you were going to be, and you're seeing all these other people that are doing far better and thinking that you're going to throw in the towel, then I would suggest that you just don't do that. Just keep going. Just keep doing your thing. Keep running your race. And as long as you are moving forward, as long as you're striving for those improvements to your videos with each video that you do, watch your videos back. What could you have done better? Take notes, try and apply at least one of those things to your next video, and then apply another thing on the next video. Keep trying to make improvements, keep trying to move forward, and eventually you're going to get there. Eventually you're going to see that growth. When I look at my channel right now, 3 months in having started, I'm starting to slowly see growth. Yes, it's maybe not as fast as other people who I know of who have started about the same time as me, but they're in a different niche and maybe it's just more popular. Maybe they've got more experience in that niche to draw on and are therefore producing better content quicker than I am. But I know that I'm going to be striving to improve my channel as I go, striving to improve my delivery, my setup looks, the content that I'm talking about, everything that I can do to try and move the channel forward. I'm going to make that commitment to myself to do. So as long as I'm making that commitment, as long as I'm showing up every week and creating videos, publishing them, engaging with my audience, then I've got full faith that the channel is going to grow. It might not grow as fast as I would like it to, It might be a bit slower than that, but that's okay. As long as I keep going, it will get there in the end. So let me know in the comments, have you been guilty of this? Have you been comparing yourself against all these big channels? Just remember, it's really unfair in yourself to do that. You should be giving yourself a huge pat on the back for even just starting, because it's such a huge leap forward in terms of your YouTube journey, just publishing that first video. So if you've gotten that far, or you've published a few videos since then, well done, give yourself a pat on the back, because it's no easy feat. And just remember that all these big channels that you've been comparing yourself against, they all started from the same point as you, an empty channel with no subscribers. They've maybe just been doing it a little bit longer. Keep going and you're going to get there. Let me know what you think in the comments. Have you been comparing yourself against others? How far into this YouTube race are you? Let me know. I just want to take the time to thank you for watching this video if you've gotten this far. I do really appreciate it. I hope you give it a big thumbs up to help the channel. If you are a small creator on YouTube and you want to see the highs and lows of another small creator laid bare, then this is the right channel for you. So consider subscribing to the channel and look out for future content. I'm also going to be going live soon as well. I have done one live already. I'm planning to do them more regularly, so look out for those too. I hope you have a great day, an even better week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.